warning. Not yet. But now I can do it. Warning! This video is specifically version 2.7, deprecated circa 2020. I'm going to open the 2.7 interpreter though, and I have to tell you one more thing before I go on with the Python types. Prior to Python 2.2, because it was not possible to use the built-in types for your object-oriented programming, you had to use the user-defined ones. The built-in and user-defined types were different. Starting in version 2.2, however, the built-in and user-defined types are exactly identical. With 2.7, the truth value, so you can do truth value testing, the following are booleans: type true and type false. If you do type none, then it's going to be a none type. Type NaN is not defined. It's an undefined type if you do NaN. In other programming languages, though, it's not a number. Now, Boolean operations and, or, and not. Now, and, or, and not are actually keywords and not going to be compatible with the syntax. Comparisons are available, and then int, float, long, and complex. Integers are like this, type 0. Floats are like 0.0. Longs are like 0L. And complex numbers are like 0J. So that's how it works when it comes to these different types. Sequence types include strings, Unicode, lists, tuples, byte arrays, buffers, and X ranges. Set types include sets and frozen sets. And then mapping types, we have dictionaries, and then we have file objects, memory view, context manager, and other built-in types like modules, classes, functions, methods, etc. It's very complicated because of the object-oriented nature of Python. Now let me keep going. If you want to know how the different braces are different for these, if it's in parentheses, empty parentheses make a tuple, empty brackets make a list, and empty braces make a dictionary. However, if it's a one-dimensional dictionary, it becomes a set. Or if it's not, then let me think about this. X equals 1, Y equals 2, Z equals 3 is not proper syntax. But I think that this mapping is proper. Or is it? I don't know if it is proper. But if it is proper, it is what you do for a dict.